I'm Sylvie Mondoux from Canada, so I'm working for Olymel for the past year. I'm Director of Time and Attendance. We are the first producer of pork and poultry in Canada. We have 26 locations in the different provinces. We also have 12,000 people who's feeding the world every day. We also have 30 union agreements. So this is what we have, a little bit of complexity. With each union, it's complex. We try to personalize the rules, try to personalize any kind of requirement. It was very complex because we were using AS400 system for payroll and different in-house system and other kind of system for the time management. So with the different site, different system, it's really complex just to establish some efficiency report, all kind of data that is required to analyze our day-to-day. So this is why we decided to move forward with one system which will deserve all location and make our life better. At the beginning, the goal was to retire the AS400 system, secure the payroll system as well. That was the original goal. And then we decided to move forward with the HR transformation. Our system was a little bit outdated, and what was the most important is try to improve our HR day to day. Try to rethink about what we can improve for people, how we can change the life of our HR people, how they can be more focused on the strategy of the business, help our employee in the day-to-day. So that was really the goal when we started that journey. We decided to put in place a change management team. So it has been really a key in the success of our implementation. So a change management team can make the difference because they follow you through the entire implementation. They try to identify what could be the pain point for each people into the business. So for an employee, for a manager, for up to the president. So we try to make sure that the people won't have any surprise when we'll go live. That was the goal. At Olymel, we are in different provinces. We are in Quebec, we are across Canada, so that means we need to have a perfectly bilingual system, which is not something easy to do. When you shop a new system, sometimes it's in English only, a lot of issues with the French. I've been really surprised how flexible the system is just to add some French to translate everything that's required to be translated for the employee, because in Canada, it's by the legislation that we need to deserve the employee in their primary language. So we don't have choice, we need to be compliant. So it was a really great journey that we have been able to customize all the screen, all the drop-down field, any custom message that was required in French. With the implementation, after a few weeks, I will say 2 weeks following the go live, I received a comment from one of the manager. He came to me and he told me, hey, it took me 15 minutes to validate my timesheet today. So that is fantastic. It's saving me time. The system is very flexible, very easy to use and intuitive. That was, for me, the big success, because if it took you 15 minutes to validate your timesheet, it's amazing the number of time that we'll save at the end of that journey after 2 years of implementation.